notes from the bank. Let's see what $2 notes I got. Crisp $2 bills. I don't know if these are worth anything. Year 2017. It's a letter A on it. As you can see, the serial numbers, letters. If you see anything valuable, let me know. Let me know in the comments if you see anything valuable. Just got these from the bank. Another 2017 A. I don't see any interesting numbers, but let's see. Do you guys see anything that I'm missing here? I forgot to show this one. Okay, let's see. They smell delicious. They smell so fresh. I love the smell of fresh money. If you see any mint errors or anything, guys, let me know. All right. Oh, oops. Or any interesting serial numbers. Wow, these are fresh. They smell so fresh and delicious. Let me know in the comments if you see anything, any mint errors at all. These are fresh out from the bank. Wow, minty fresh. Hopefully I find an old one or one with a mint error. Let me know in the comments, guys. Well, I got fresh of this. Seems like they're all from the year 2017. The letter A. These are $40 and $2 bills that I got. Ooh, this looks like I kind of folded up. So it looks kind of folded up. It smells fresh, real fresh. I don't see any matching serial numbers or anything like that. Ah, 19 again. Number 19, I wonder what that means. Let me know in the comments. There's another one that said 19 on the other $2 bill also. Alright. Of course, Thomas Jefferson is there. He said, if your government is against the people, then to start a revolution to take out your government, right? That's what he said. Letter 22 on the back here. Okay. They're all from the year 2017. Wow. It smells so fresh. Oh, number 17 here. Let's see. Just let me know in the comments if you see any $2 bills here that are valuable. And here is the last one from the $40 I got in $2 bills from the bank. Number 19 again. I saw 3 notes with the number 19. Wonder what that means. Let me know in the comments. Let me know if you see any mint errors or any serial numbers are valuable, guys. Alright, take care. Till next time.